Please be honest with me for a second. When was the last time you did something without checking your phone, without switching tabs, without letting your thoughts wander? If focusing feels harder than ever lately, this video is for you. Because this isn't about motivation. A while ago, I sat down to study. Laptop open, coffee ready. Motivation? Kind of there. And then, I checked one message, one notification, one quick scroll. Suddenly, 45 minutes had passed. My mind felt exhausted, annoyed, and weirdly guilty. Not because I didn't want to focus, but because I genuinely couldn't. And that's when it hit me. Maybe I'm not lazy. Maybe my brain is just overloaded. Here's what's actually happening. Your brain isn't designed to deal with constant stimulation. Every notification, video, message, or sound gives your brain a small hit of dopamine. Dopamine isn't happiness. It's anticipation. It's the feeling of, maybe the next thing will be better. So your brain slowly learns this pattern. Why focus on one difficult task when something easier, faster, and more stimulating is always just one swipe away? Over time, your brain becomes addicted to distraction, not because you're weak, but because it's been trained this way. And the result looks like this: a shorter attention span, constant restlessness, difficulty starting tasks, feeling mentally exhausted even when you haven't done much. You're not broken. Your brain is overstimulated. And the frustrating part is, the harder you try to force focus, the more it seems to slip away. So what actually helps? Let's break it down. 1. Create small distraction-free pockets. Don't try to fix your entire day. That's too much. Instead, choose one small moment. Studying for 20 minutes, eating a meal without your phone, going for a walk without music. If possible, leave your phone in another room. Your brain needs proof that it can function without constant input. These small pockets slowly retrain your ability to focus. 2. Make boredom safe again. When you feel bored, your instinct is probably to reach for your phone. But boredom isn't a bad thing. It's a reset. So try this. When you feel the urge to scroll, wait 30 seconds. Just sit there. Do nothing. At first, it will feel uncomfortable. That discomfort is your brain detoxing from stimulation. Focus, creativity, and calm all start with boredom. 3. Lower the mental noise before you focus. Focusing is almost impossible when your head is already full. Before starting a task, write down everything that's on your mind. Messy is fine. Small things count. This tells your brain, I don't have to remember this right now. Less mental noise means more focus. If you've been struggling to concentrate lately, that doesn't mean you're failing. It means you live in a world that constantly pulls at your attention. Be kind to yourself. Your brain is trying to protect you. It just needs new rules. Focus isn't something you force. It's something you rebuild. Slowly. With patience. One small moment at a time. If this video made you feel understood, leave a like. It really helps the channel. Let me know in the comments. What distracts you the most right now? And here's a small challenge for today. Choose one moment to be fully present. No phone, no multitasking. Subscribe if you want more videos about focus, stress, and mental clarity. You're not behind. You're learning how to take your mind back.